We chase horizons. And if you're curious about the name, it came from
our 2020 Winnebago Horizon.
All right.
42Q.
So what we decided to do today is to do a show and tell. Initially, I was a little reserved and really didn't think it would be beneficial, or who would want to see the inside of an RV. But I've met several people who have zero clue as to what it looks like, and I take for granted that, you know, we've seen them, we've shopped for a long time, we have rented some, so we know what it looks like. But for those who are curious, I do want to do this video just to show them that it's not really hard, and it's kind of glamorous, and it's almost like having your own hotel on wheels.
Thanks for enjoying the tour of Optimus. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video.
Thanks for watching.